Welcome back to my channel. Let me guess, you're scrolling through pictures of K-pop idols like Wonyoung and Jennie, and wondering how they always have such soft, perfectly pink lips, right? Whether it's on stage, in music videos, or even just casually, their lips are always on point, rosy, smooth, and glowing. If you've ever thought to yourself, how do I get my lips to look like that? Then you're in the right place. Don't worry, you don't need a fancy beauty team or expensive products to get lips that are soft, plump, and pink. Today, I'm going to show you 5 super easy steps with bonus tips and things to avoid you can follow at home to get those K-pop idol-worthy lips instantly. So, grab your lip balm, a cute scrunchie, because why not? And let's get ready to turn those lips into soft, pink perfection. And if you stick around till the end, I'll share a bonus tip and things to avoid that'll keep your lips looking luscious 24/7. Let's get into it. Step 1. Exfoliate. Let's start with the most important step, exfoliation. This step is basically like a reset button for your lips, getting rid of any dead skin that's been building up and making your lips look dull or flaky. Here's what you do. Mix 1 teaspoon of sugar with a few drops of honey to create a natural scrub. The sugar acts as a gentle exfoliant, while the honey helps moisturize and soften your lips. You'll want to massage this onto your lips in small circular motions for about a minute or 2. Extra tip. Don't scrub too hard. Gentle is the key word here. You want to get rid of the dead skin, but we don't want to irritate your lips either. After you're done, just rinse it off with warm water and pat your lip. Step 2. Hydrate. Once your lips are freshly exfoliated, they'll be ready to soak in some serious moisture. Enter aloe vera gel. Aloe vera is like a miracle worker when it comes to hydration and soothing. Apply a thin layer of the gel onto your lips and let it sit for a few minutes. Aloe helps repair and heal dry lips, leaving them super soft and refreshed. Coconut oil is seriously one of the best natural moisturizers out there. Take a small amount, just a few drops, and massage it into your lips. Not only does it hydrate your lips, but it also adds a subtle natural shine that makes your lips look extra soft and luscious. Pro tip, you can also use almond oil or olive oil if you don't have coconut oil. Step 3. Lip massage. Now here's a game changer for those wanting plumper, softer lips. Give yourself a lip massage using your fingertips. This helps to stimulate blood flow to the lips, making them appear naturally pinker and fuller. Gently massage your lips with your fingers for about 1 to 2 minutes. Not only does it feel super relaxing, but it also helps your lips absorb moisture better, making them even softer. Extra tip, do this lip massage in the morning and before bed to keep your lips looking extra juicy and pink. It's also a great way to wind down at the end of the day. Self-care vibes. Step 4. Apply SPF. This step is all about protection. Just like your skin, your lips can get damaged by the sun. And believe me, sunburned lips are not cute. Use a lip balm with SPF to keep your lips safe from harmful UV rays. It's an essential step, especially if you want to maintain that soft pink look for a long time. Trust me, your lips will thank you. Extra tip. Always keep a lip balm with SPF in your bag, even when you're not actively out in the sun. Daily protection is key to keeping your lips healthy and vibrant. Step 5. Tinted Lipbalm. Now that your lips are well protected and moisturized, let's add a pop of color. Grab a tinted lip balm that complements your natural lip shade. A light pink or peach tint will give you that effortless natural look that K-pop idols always seem to have. Pro tip. If you don't have a tinted lip balm, you can DIY it. Mix a bit of your favorite lipstick with your clear lip balm. This will give you a custom-made tinted balm that's perfect for daily use. Bonus tips. Stay hydrated. This might sound super basic, but one of the best ways to keep your lips looking naturally pink and soft is to stay hydrated. When you drink enough water, your body stays moisturized from the inside out, and this includes your lips. Make it a habit to sip on water throughout the day, and your lips will stay plump and hydrated. Bonus tip, if you're not a fan of plain water, add a slice of lemon or some mint leaves to make it more refreshing. This way, you'll want to keep sipping, and your lips will stay happy. Overnight lip mask. Before you head to bed, apply an overnight lip mask to give your lips some extra love while you sleep. This is like a deep conditioning treatment for your lips, making sure they stay super soft and moisturized by morning. You can either use a store-bought lip mask or DIY one using coconut oil. Pro tip, don't forget to gently exfoliate your lips again in the morning for an even softer, smoother feel. Use a humidifier. Dry air, especially in winter or in air-conditioned rooms, can zap the moisture from your skin and lips. Using a humidifier in your room adds moisture back into the air, helping to keep your lips naturally hydrated. It's a small change that makes a big difference. Spicy foods. Spicy foods may be delicious, but they can cause irritation if your lips are already dry or cracked. The heat from spices can worsen chapping or even cause burning sensations. So, if your lips are feeling a little sensitive, it's best to avoid spicy foods until they heal. Stick to gentle, hydrating foods like fruits and veggies to help soothe them. Sleep with lip balm. Even on regular days before heading to bed, apply a thick layer of your favorite hydrating lip balm. During sleep, your body repairs itself, and having a nourishing balm on your lips overnight helps lock in moisture for longer. Things to avoid. Licking your lips. It might seem like it adds moisture, but saliva actually dries out your lips even more. Using harsh products. Avoid lip balms with alcohol or fragrances, as they can irritate and dry out your lips. Peeling or picking at dry skin. This can cause damage and lead to bleeding or infection. Skipping SPF. Your lips need protection from the sun too, so always use a lip balm with SPF. Over-exfoliating. Gentle exfoliation is great, but doing it too often can strip your lips of natural moisture. Matte lipsticks without a base. Matte lipsticks can be drying, so always apply a hydrating lip balm before using them to prevent dryness. Drinking too little water. Dehydration shows up on your lips, so make sure to drink enough water to keep them naturally moisturized from the inside out. And that's it, beauties. With these 5 simple steps, you're on your way to having the soft, pink lips you've always dreamed of, just like your favorite K-pop idols. Whether you're getting ready for a concert or just want to give your lips a little extra love, these tips will keep your lips looking and feeling amazing every single day. Remember, lip care isn't just about looking good. It's about feeling good too. Soft, healthy lips can boost your confidence, and with these easy steps, you'll be glowing in no time. Plus, the best part is that these tips are simple enough to incorporate into your everyday routine, no matter how busy you are. If you love this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Make sure to hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future beauty tips. Let me know in the comments which step you're most excited to try, or if you've got any lip care secrets of your own. I'd love to hear them. Until next time, stay fabulous, keep glowing, and remember, your lips deserve as much love as the rest of you.